Hey folks, how's it going? Nick Bowman, Destination Trails. Look, we're going to throw this out there, try something a little bit different. This is near the top of the property we're working at the moment. There's a vision to get a number of jump trails in here, but we also want to put in a fairly premium level flow trail down this way, back towards the creek, back towards the homestead. In the background over here, border ranges and Mount Warning, and it's a seriously lush place to be at the moment, and we're hoping to open this up. Like, we want to get the flow trail happening down here. It's a chance for people to get involved, sign up for some hands-on training, and you know, we'll share everything we know. Got a bunch of little secrets about how to not just build flow, but make sure it's low maintenance, make sure it's robust for adverse weather, all sorts of conditions, heavy rainfall, drought. Not just something that's going to last 1 or 2 seasons or 1 or 2 races, but something that you can put in place and then maintain easily after that. So we want to share that with you. We're opening up the place. We're looking to have a 5-day training workshop here. You can camp on top of the hill here if you like. There's accommodation in town. Closest town is Kyogle, New South Wales, up in the Northern Rivers there, not too far from the Queensland border. So we're pretty close to Brisbane, pretty close to Byron Bay, pretty close to a bunch of iconic destinations up here. And we've got a vision for this place to create something pretty special with trails and permaculture, getting back to nature, connection to earth, connection to universal cosmic galactic energies. And yeah, I think we're just putting it out there. If you're interested, it's an expression of interest, you want to be involved, you want to take part, we'd love to hear from you. We're looking at July 2025, when the ground starts to dry out a little. There'll be a chance to get on machines, there'll be a chance to learn about design, the reasons why we're doing everything. You know, for me, it's back to that teach a man to fish, he'll feed himself for a lifetime. So if I can give you all the background principles about why we're doing what we're doing, then you'll understand for the rest of your trail building life and trail building enterprises. And so yeah, come on down, let us know if you're keen. It's something a little bit new for us, and I think it's going to be some awesome opportunities, even if it's just to get together, build some cool stuff and have some fun. So yeah, cool. That's where we're at the moment. And let us know via a Facebook event or email if you're keen to be involved, and we're going to start to make it happen. Thanks.